Let us do this question. In this, it says a figure shows a rod AB which is bent in 120 degrees angle. So there is a rod which has been bent in this form, and the angle that is subtended at the center is 120 degrees. So first let us derive an equation how to do whenever a rod has been given. So whenever there is a rod that has been given, we will take a small dq length ka what do you call small dq length pieces, and we will check what is the field because of that, and let us integrate it to get for the whole rod. So if I draw this, let us assume dq is making some d theta angle here. So the length of this would be r into d theta. If this is r, the length of this part, the length of this dq length is r d theta. Okay. So this is my dq and r d theta. So this dq will be putting field in this direction. At the center, it will be putting field in this direction. Exactly similar dq. Let us suppose this total angle is theta or phi. So it is putting in this direction. Then exactly similar way on the other side. On the other side, we have another dq charge which is going to put field in this direction. So if I write like this, then what would happen? This angles, we will be left out only with the cos components. The sine components will get cancelled out. So this vector, whatever E is there, whatever dE vectors are going to come, only the cos components will be coming. The sine components will get cancelled out. So first we'll find out dE, then we'll integrate with cos theta, and then you'll get their final answer. So let us write, due to that dq charge, which is a point charge, what is the field at that place? So it is k into dq upon what is the radius of that arc, that is r square. We know that dq can be written as in terms of lambda. Lambda is equals to charge per unit length, which is dq upon r d theta. Okay. This is also equal to total charge upon total length of that rod, which is how much? The angle is 120 degrees. If the angle is 120 degrees, so it would be, the radiance would be, it is minus q charge, so we'll let it as minus q, and r into 2 pi by 3. So we should write in terms of radians, total charge upon total length. So first let us take this and we'll do the equation. dE is equals to k into dq place low. We can write it as r d theta into lambda by r square. One r gets cancelled out. So dE is equals to k into lambda into d theta upon r. But we don't want dE, we want dE cos theta, because only cos theta terms are getting added up. Remaining terms are getting subtracted. So dE cos theta is equals to k lambda d theta upon r cos theta. Now we have to integrate it. We have to integrate it to get total value, that is E net we are going to get, which is equals to k constant, lambda constant, r constant. Send it out. K lambda by r. Integration of cos theta is sine theta. From where and where we have to integrate? See this. This is the angle. This is the angle that is subtended at the center. So this is at half. So it would be minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So that is the angles where our dq charges are lying. So it is from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So let us put here minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That would give me k lambda by r into, if I put upper limit, that is sine phi by 2 minus of minus sine. That would be how much? 2 sine phi by 2. So that would be k lambda by r into 2 sine phi by 2, which is nothing but 2k lambda by r into sine phi by 2. This is our, for any arc, this is the formula that we are going to use, 2k lambda by r into sine phi by 2. Now let us come to our question. Here, lambda values we know. So E is equals to 2 into k into, in the place of lambda, I can put minus q by r into 2 pi by 3. minus q by r into 2 pi by 3. Okay, then in the place of sine, so 2 is done, k is done, lambda is done, there is an r also. Okay, here r will be there into sine 60. Okay, because this center angle is 120, 120 by 2, 120 by 2 is 60 degrees. So how much is sine 60? That is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. So we will be left out with E is equals to, and k can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q. This 3 will go up, 3q, 3q root 3 by r square into 4 pi epsilon naught into 2 pi. That would be minus 3 root 3 upon 8 pi epsilon naught r square. Okay, so that would be our field. The answer for this question would be this much, minus 3 root 3 by 8 epsilon naught upon r square. Now if the direction is asked, okay, so I think in the options which are not mentioned in the question, the direction has also been asked. So it would be minus I cap direction. So if this is minus I cap direction, if I multiply with minus I cap, I'm going to get minus into minus is plus. E is equals to 3 root 3 by 8 pi epsilon naught, 3 root 3 into q by 8 pi epsilon naught into r square I cap. This is my equation. Okay, I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt, comment below. Thank you.